Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of k if we have k minus 3 divided by 3 minus k is equals to 3, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem, and in the first method here we need to move this 3 minus k from left hand side to the right hand side, and when we move it into the right hand side it is multiplied by this 3, and after multiplying by 3 it will be written as 3 times of 3 minus k. So further here in the next step we need to multiply these 3 separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as k minus 3 is equals to, this is 3 times 3 becomes here 9 minus 3 times of k becomes here 3k. And here further in the next step we need to move our variable terms into the left hand side, and we move all the constant terms to the right hand side. So for this you see here this is minus 3k, we move this minus 3k into the left hand side and it will becomes plus 3k is equals to, this is minus 3, when we move it into the right hand side it will becomes plus 3. So here further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we have this is k plus 3k becomes here 4 times of k, and this 9 plus 3 becomes here 12. So here our target is to get the values of k, and for this we need to divide both of the sides by 4. So when we divide both of the sides by 4 it will be written as, so after division by 4 it will be written as 4k divided by 4 equals to 12 divided by 4. So we have this 4 and this 4 are gone, and we get here k is equals to, this is 4 times 3 becomes 12, and we get the value of k is equals to 3. So you see here in this method we will get only one value of k, and that is k is equals to 3. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is this value of k be the solution of given equation, or is this value of k be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value of k we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is k minus 3 divided by 3 minus k is equals to 3. So this is our given question statement, and here we need to substitute the value of k into the left hand side and we check its behavior. So when you put it here it will becomes 3 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 3 is equals to 3 or not. This is the our claim. So you see here 3 minus 3 becomes 0, and this 3 minus 3 is also becomes 0 is equals to 3. So here you see that in the left hand side we have this is the 0 by 0 form, or in other words we just say that it is indeterminate form. So if our left hand side is indeterminate form, or in other words we just say that it is undefined. If our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, so this finally concludes about that this question or this value of k is not satisfied over this given question statement. So if this value is not satisfied our given question statement, we will be called that k is equals to 3 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, it is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And you see here other than 3 we cannot get any other value of k which is satisfied our given question statement. So here we just finally conclude about the solution set of this problem is that this question has no solution in general. Okay, so this question has no solution. This is the final conclusion about the solution set of this problem in the first method. And now here we again solve this problem for second method. So in second method we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is k minus 3 divided by 3 minus k is equals to 3. So this is the our given question statement, and here our second method be the very quickest method. So here we just quickly quickly find the solution or quickly find the roots of this equation. Okay, so here in this method you see here in the denominator term we have this is 3 minus k. When we take common minus sign from here, it will be written as minus times of k minus 3 is equals to 3. And here you see that this is the k minus 3 and this is the also k minus 3 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 1 is divided by minus 1 is equals to 3. So 1 divided by minus 1 is equals to minus 1 equals to 3. So here you see that minus 1 is not equals to 3 in general, so that we just write that it is not possible that minus 1 equals to 3 because it is not equals to 3. So here we finally conclude about that here we cannot get any value of k which is satisfied our given question statement, so that our second method is also conclude about that this question has no solution in general. Okay, so this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.